guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, 100% chance of rain today. Look at this stuff. It's coming down. Hey, I just locked these cows in right here. This is what they got left to milk. They got them left to milk. There's probably about 20-25 in there. I'm gonna go in there and feed and scrape in the rain here. Hey, Dad took off, went to an auction, looking for another corn head. We'll check in with him later when he makes it back, see if he comes back with something or not. Hey, stick around to the end of the video. I'm taking you into my house later. Rochelle, the kids, show you what we do for dinner. A little ritual. I think her sister Carly's coming over. They're going to go over baby shower invites and things like that. So stick around for that. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let's go. Here's the battle when it's raining like this and you're trying to clean these bunks up and you're trying to get the feeders going. The water wants to run right through here is the main drag, okay? And there's like a little turtle ditch here cut so it gets out. So you got to get this manure. I've got it kind of piled here, let the water drain, get the feeders going, and I'll push the rest of it, and then we'll get the main freestall barn cleaned out and keep moving. Feeders rolling, check the feed. Kind of dark in here, rain day, it's dark. Cows are lining up to eat, and away we go. We find ourselves up here. These gutters are blocked up. Look at that, blocked up there. We got to clean them out so the water don't pool down in these freestall. Put this glove on because this water's ice cold. I don't want to get my shirt all wet. There it goes. Look at that thing. It's a ton of water. These silos sometimes when you get feeding out of them and it's windier than heck around here, it gets blowing. And it blows and it fills these gutters up. So this is a challenge that we have to deal with when it rains, but all you gotta do is get up in there and clean them out. Like a cat, man. Come on, girl. Ah! Bye-bye. Bunk's filling up nicely. Hey girl, while we're scraping up all that slop mixed with rain, you know, 50 degrees, raining, it's mid-December. That's the problem. You got the rain gets mixed with the slop. That's the one time that we wish we had a pit, as you could push all that in there, but we haul out every day. Our manure's accounted for every day. That is the plus side of it. We're never piling it up like dirty laundry. We're caught up every day. Keep all that slop up in that little area down and seep it out. I'm going to show you how. Okay, and that's gonna do. Now she's all cleaned up, and I got it all piled in there waiting for that manure spreader to come back and in here. But if you look, everything can drain now. Everything can drain right through here and right on out. And for you guys non-farmers out there, why are we doing this? Because we don't want these cows walking around in manure. It's not good for their feet. I mean, would you want to walk around a bunch of crap all day? I don't think so. It's for their hygiene. That's why they look so clean and so good. It's because we're constantly cleaning up after them. You know, so they can produce milk and be healthy and comfortable. That's the key. Keep the cows comfortable. Put that slide in. We're gonna change over, go to that other bunk. Switched over. Away we go. Let's get up on another bunk. Okay, and that's all I'm gonna feed them. I got that shut down. Just get them started. There's Chocolate Thunder right there. Check out that big beast. But I see, drag back that spreader in as I was up there watching that belt feeding. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna load this up so they can get going and spread that, because we're gonna have a couple more today. You definitely have to know what you're doing when you're loading slop like that, or you'll be wearing it. And by the looks of things, I did a pretty good job. This rain really picked up. I'm sure you can hear it bouncing off that metal roof. So we're gonna wait to get the rest of this slopped up. That's just too much rain. We got the main area that has to be done. So you don't want them standing in slop when they're eating. But that's done. So now this can just hang on for a minute until this stuff just lightens up. Okay, so we made it down here to the dry cow lot. Dry cow lot heifers, just got them fed. Same thing, water's draining right through here. It's going right through the middle of this barnyard. Just make sure the water drains, get the water draining, and get them fed. And then all you can do is get the heck out of here. So they're all accounted for here. What we're gonna do now, you know, with the rain, there's no roof on here, but being 50 degrees and it's not gonna cool down for another day or two, the rain's actually going to help them. It's going to wash them down, and it's not like it's hurting them. They're going to be just fine. I'll keep an eye on them anyway. I'm here every day. So let's blade this driveway out so the water will continue to run, and head it back up to the main farm. Okay guys, back up here at the main farm. I'm up top on the feeding system here. We're above the cows here. This cross conveyor to main cross conveyor, this thing spans probably 4 silos, you know, so it's real long. Well, sometimes when it rains like this, it gets real wet. This thing loosens up, it gets sloppy. Now the conveyor itself doesn't loosen up, but all the water inside these links, and I heard the thing flopping when I shut it off. So we're gonna tighten this up a little bit because I don't want this thing spinning a car. Look at that, that's just too loose. So there's a lot of maintenance on this stuff, and I don't show it all that much, but you know, with electric motors and chain links and tighteners, and you know, you gotta stay on it because this is the heart and soul of what's feeding these conveyors. It's coming out of the silo onto these. So let's tighten her up. Other side. We want to tighten these up as even as possible. Best to use a ratchet wrench when you're doing that. That's good enough. Let's head down and give them a little feed. See how she works. Yeah, that sounds a lot better. There we go. Guys, rain's finally dying down, soaking wet. Guess who made it back? Dad. He got the corn head, 608C. This is a chopping head that's gonna go on our combine. We've got a head on it just like it, except this one will, it's got these rolls under here. It's gonna shred the corn stalk. And our other one doesn't have it on there. You know, these corn stalks these days are tough to break down, you know. So with this girl will shred the stalks itself. And next on a chopping block is to get this girl ready to sell, maybe put it on an auction. This has been a great head, nothing wrong with it. We just wanted a chopping head, so now we can get rid of this and get rid of our brush hog, because we did brush hog some stalks. So he made it back. Christmas came early, we're happy. Got some other things going on down the line I'll keep you posted on, but that's going to be a heck of an addition to this combine. Every year corn acres seem to go up, so this time we'll be ready. We're gonna head home and see what the girls are up to. Let's go. Just getting home. Hey, the purpose of me showing you what's going on inside the house here is, you know, being holiday time, growing up, you know, we had dinner, my mom, dad, and the boys. You know, I can't think of a time that my parents weren't there with us at dinner. You know, it's very important to us and for me to instill this into my own family. So I'm gonna show you. Looks like Rochelle's sister's already here, so they're gonna work on the baby stuff, and I'm cooking dinner tonight. So I wanted to show you a typical night and what we like to do, and that's gonna end the video. So thanks for watching, and take care. God bless. See you in the next one. Thanks.